another art journal video. So today I'm working on my Dylusions Art Journal. As you can see, it's getting fluffier day by day. So I will be working on this page. I'm going to just put the layer of gesso first on top of it to prime it, and something to cover it. Just give me a second. This, so that I can keep the things in check. Okay, to the page, just like that. And I might take a little bit more. So before it starts to get dry, I think I'm done with the gesso. So I will move to this Nicole's emerald teal, and I'll start adding it to the page. Just like that. I need to put some variation on the page. Okay, I'm happy with how it's looking. I just want to make it a little bit more greeny. So I'll add a little bit more of this. So we'll start moving to the stamping. So I'm going to use this stamp, which is Create Happiness stamp. I don't know what it's called. I'll see what it's been called. So I'll just take the stamp out. Archival Cornflower Blue. Nice. I'm liking it. So after this, I will be using etc. something. And I'm going to take this out. See what can we want to use. I'm going to use this one first. Always a pleasure to use this one. One of my favorite. Up. Okay, so this is looking nice, and that's it. And I will be using this mudra stencil. It's called Damask 3. I'll put a drop here. Great. Happy with how it's looking. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this archival ink again. I'm going to put some color on this thing, and I'll start giving it. Okay, so this is done. However, it's not showing up that much. You can see it's just a hint, and I think that will do. So I'm going to put a dot and a bit of water. Mix it. Okay, things have been trying, and I have given it a very border, which obviously is not showing, which is all right. So I have a focal element which I think is going to go here, or maybe I want to put it here. I'm just trying to see where it's looking much better. So it should be here. I think this is a nice place to keep the, because it's facing here, so it makes sense to keep this bird here. And here's the close-up. Loving this golden texture and how the background color is going well with everything. Again, the gold, yeah, and yeah, and this. So guys, so this is the today's journal.